Yan. Kita screen, guys? Malinaw?
Yes po.
Okay. Sige. So, as per training material, ang nadagdag lang naman is yung OSD. Okay? Ito yung mga man-made tsaka maintained grass. Diba? Ito yung inaalagaan. So, OSD, lakayan natin yung view. Ito natin ang ayos. Yan. So, OSD means it's grass maintained by human, located in urban areas. Usually shows around residential, commercial area, and golf court. So, grass around rural area or rural residential area also belongs to this category. Okay? So, ibig sabihin guys, yung mga mini-maintain na mga damo, lalo na yung mga backyard, front yard, di ba, pinuputulan yan, pinagaganda, tinitrim, ika nga. So, pag napansin natin na yung grass is tinitrim, inaayos, pinagaganda, you can tag it as an OSD. Ito yun, no? OP_SP_dev. Ito siya. Okay? So, anong pagkakaiba niya sa grass? Okay. Ang grass na malapit sa rural area, okay. So, yung grass yan. Grass that is completely without human maintenance and located in rural areas. We don't need to check for grass shape. Only change the category to OSD if it meets the definition above. So, ano yung definition ng OSD? Ulit guys, malapit sa residential, rural area, commercial area, golf courses, siguro yung mga sports field like yung baseball field, soccer field, football field, ano pa? Basta yung mga mini-maintain na damo, it's called grass. It's called OSD. Okay? So ito naman, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga areas na grassy pero hindi siya mini-maintain. So it's tagged as grass. Clear, guys? Yung mga hindi mini-maintain. Klaro?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Diba normally sa mga forest areas, may mga grassy areas, yon. Wala naman nag-maintain doon eh. Okay, agriculture. Pag sinabi nating agriculture, located in rural area with square shape showed below, mamaya. So ito yon. Yung mga taniman, madali natin makikilala yan kasi may mga guhit-guhit, nakalinya yung mga halaman, and so on. So, itong naka-red circle, those are farmland. Clear?
Again, what letter?
Ito rin, yan, farmland. Dati, tinatag natin to as forest, pero ngayon, tag them as farmland. Clear? Kasi nakalinya yung mga puno. So, malay natin kung apple tree pala yan o orange tree. Diba? Clear?
What letter?
And same here, ito siguro mga farm to. So anong tawag doon? Na-ani na. Kumbaga parang nakuha na yung mga ani. So it's still a farm and should be considered as an agriculture. Clear?
Properly.
So agricultural land, guys. So for this image below, as you can see, it's an organized plantation of trees. It's considered a farmland, okay? It's considered an agriculture. Tag it as an agriculture. So this one, it's an agriculture. Next. Next below. Okay, for this one, please note that areas with cultivation traces in urban areas should not be depicted as farmland, such as the circle in the following image, which belongs to OSD. This one, okay? So as you can see, it's near a farm. It's near an urban area. So definitely in urban areas, you don't see farms, and most of the time, in urban areas, the grasslands are maintained. Okay, so you can see this. Those are just mowed grasses. Okay, so definitely there's someone mowing the grass. That's why there's a traces. Okay, but this is an OSD. For shrub, okay, for shrub areas, some shrubs are used as fence, so we have to capture them as a shrub. They are small plants, small bush, so we capture them as a shrub. The ones pointed by a yellow arrow is a shrub, okay? And in forest areas or in suburban areas, there are also some shrubs. Make sure to capture them correctly. Clear? Okay. Clear, guys. The red arrows shows the shrubs. And the area within the blue, this one, okay,
No.
this is a grassland. Okay, so there's a difference. Okay, grassland, shrub. Okay, clear, guys?
One letter.
Okay. The ones with the yellow arrow, sorry guys, the ones with the yellow arrow is the grassland. The ones inside the blue is the shrub. Okay, clear? Now for water areas, let's just be mindful of this, guys. The circled area shows a mud flat. So imagine if it's high tide or low tide, definitely water will go into some lower areas in the land and it will stop there. Now, when it becomes low tide, it will show the mud flats. Clear? So still capture it as part of water. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? So here's an example below. So the mud flats has been captured as part of the water. Then they left out the green part, which is land. Okay? Same here in the image below. So this is a mud flats. So as you can see, if it's high tide, the water goes in this area. So we have to capture that part also. And same here, it's also mud flats. Now, if you get, what you call this, ducks or pierres, it's part of the water. No need to exclude them. It's going to be tedious if you exclude them one by one. They're so small. And if you see parts of water crossing a land like this one, so just capture the water, okay? Just capture the water parts, okay? And make sure the boundary is still within that area. And same here, okay? Exclude the land parts, capture the water. And another one here, the red arrow. I forgot the red arrow. Okay, the red arrow is the boundary. Okay, capture the water parts. Clear, guys? Many examples of water. Okay, for this one, check. Okay, as you can see, this is water, and then they tried to exclude the lighter parts only, which is wrong. The correct one is you exclude the whole land parts, as you can see in this second picture. Here. And same here. Any questions, guys? But I believe the 1601 is pretty easy. Any questions? Okay, make sure you open the training material also while working for reference. So what I have here, I've downloaded a task in 1801. See? Can you see my screen? So the task area is normally enclosed. So make sure you only capture that area. So what do you think this is, guys? This area here. I'll remove the cover. What do you think is this area?
Water.
Water. Okay. So this is water. So make sure you tag it correctly. So this is water. And make sure you capture the entire area by using E. So I'll show how it's done. Okay, for this one, guys, what do you think is the right tagging?
Water.
Water.
Water. Water.
Water.
Okay. So as you can see, there are parts not captured, right? All you have to do is use E, click, spacebar. E, click, spacebar. So just check out the boundaries if it's all captured. Okay? Then submit the task. So for this one, guys, what do you think is the right tagging?
Water.
Water. Check the boundaries. Okay. I hope we get some land areas. Okay, for this one, the same. It's still water. How about this area here? So use E.
Water.
There.
Oh, water.
So it's filling every gap. Use E and then space bar. No more, no more. Okay, very good.
T. Yeah.
Okay. Water again, guys. Man. In here, water. So if we get that area, I think we're moving from coastal already. So see. Anyway, any questions, guys, concerns? Okay, next, let's check. I'm always getting water. Why? Okay, this one still water. Hopefully we get other parts. Okay, next, it's still water, guys. But anyway, any questions, guys, concerns? So please, when you're working, so always verify the tag if it's correct, then choose the right category before submitting, okay? We can easily see someone who's auto-passing. If we caught you auto-passing, then we will return all your tags. Are we clear, guys? So this is water.